Hey, what's up? Alan here from Damn Good Reviews. So you may have seen I've done tests and unboxings and reviews with some of these sound machines that are made to help you sleep, help the baby sleep, can block out conversations if you put it in a room so others can't hear it. And I really like them. I do use one. I know others that use them to help you sleep. I like the fan sound, and there's a lot of different brands. We've tried some other ones. Some are good. Some have rechargeable batteries in it for travel. Some the sounds are just okay. But this one is a new one by the company Renpho, Renpho, right there. And this is a white noise sound machine, model RPWNM008. Has 36 total sounds with different variations of things like fans. Let's see what it says. It says white noise, fan noise, birds in a forest, waves, rainstorm, fetal sounds. So within those, there's multiple variations equaling 36 different. And it says on their site it's non-looping. I'm not really sure what that means, that it's non-looping. I mean, it does sound continuous. You do not hear it loop. So I don't know if there's some way where it kind of just automatically keeps generating the sound. I have no idea, but it says non-looping. It says it's a feature, so that's kind of interesting. So it says it's a relaxing sounds for stress relief, fall asleep easier, wake up refreshed, and live healthier. So let's go ahead and take a look and see what's in the box, and we're going to test it out here too, because I typically know how these do work, and then we'll come back with the review rewind about a month or so later, just to make sure it is working the way it's supposed to. So in the box we have our little user manual there. Talks about the different sounds, what's included, your guarantee, which is a 1 year. We have a little welcome message. You're invited to be the Renpho Super Member family. It tells you send your Amazon order number, get some other quick cool perks and gifts. And then in the box we have our little adapter. Looks a lot like an adapter you would see for like a Fire Stick or a phone. So that's a USB adapter. Comes with a USB cable. You see I already took it out of the little baggie and undid it. Pretty decent length. I guess that's probably like 3 feet or so. That'd be good if you have it on your dresser. That should be fine. They have their little connector there with the USB on the other side. And then in the box we have the actual sound machine. Pretty cool looking, like a space gray looking color to it. Has some decent weight and does have some speaker mesh up top. Here you'll see the buttons on the front. You also have a little output for either a speaker or headphones if you want to use that. Now this one does not have any other mounts or anything. It is for just putting right on the desk just like that. But the other thing is, it always has to be plugged in, get USB power. And I have seen other ones and used other ones that do have, they're rechargeable. I don't know if you really need it because probably anywhere you go you'll have either USB power or a plug to plug it in. So there's that. Show you real quick, they do have this little snake area where you can put the wire through to keep it out of the way. Now when I did it first, it was a little tight there, but I did get it easy. Probably gotta just pull it through a little bit better than that, but you'll see that it is snaked right there, so it will sit nice and flat. And so there you have it. That's all set up. I'm gonna plug it into my USB hub that I have. I don't need to use the adapter right now, but the adapter is just gonna be a 5-volt adapter. So let's go ahead and check out the different sounds. Plug it in. Okay, got it plugged in right there. First thing, we're gonna press the power button. See if you can hear it. So that sounds like a campfire almost, pretty cool. And then up top you see our 30, 60, and 90-minute timers where you can always have it on all night, which is usually what I do. So you got that. You got our fan sounds. All different types of sounds. White noise sounds, and we have birds, and let's see. Sounds like a train, clock. Some of them will make me pee in the bed. I don't want to do any of that. Like that. That's rain, of course. That one will probably make you pee in the bed. Same one. So a lot of really good and really crystal clear sounds in this machine. Now the only thing that I've seen that I don't like is that these buttons do not light up. So at night it could be a possible problem, finding the buttons. But I will test it out, just to make sure that's the case. See if, maybe after being in the light for a while they illuminate, at night. But overall, that's the fetal sound going. That's kind of cool. Overall, really cool, and the sound clarity is really, really nice on this. So I'm looking forward to checking it out. Again, this is the Renpho sound machine. You can purchase it at the link below if you want to pick one up. It does help you sleep. Just a sound machine in general, I can definitely attest to that. So there you have it. I'm Alan from Damn Good Reviews. Thanks so much for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe right here. Click the little bell icon. Stay up to date with us. And, thanks again for watching.